Greetings. You realize, say, when Jesus did a walk on earth, everywhere he go, he just a heal people and a run out demon out of people. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 27 to verse 34. When Jesus did a left there so, two blind men did start follow him and did a bawl out, David Pickney, take pity upon we. When Jesus go in at the house, the two blind men come to him. Jesus said to them, say, "Wanna believe say me can do this?" Them answer back, "Yes, Lord." Then Jesus touched them eye and say, "Cause you believe say me can make you see again, you go see again." And then eye open up. Then Jesus warned them have good and proper. Him say, "Look here now, make sure say nobody no know about this." But then left and tell everybody in other country there about what Jesus do for them. When Jesus and him follower them did a go away, people carry one man come where did have one demon in him and we couldn't chat. When Jesus run the demon from out of the man start chat. And the people them frightened. Them say, nobody never yet seen nothing like this happen in Israel. But the Pharisee them say, are the leader for demon, give him power for run out demon. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.